yeah, see, come down, axle, that move that away, this away, then we can take the axle out, so you slide that away a little, you know, and then slide the axle forward, so this out there we slide forward, there you go. See, then we go up underneath the bottom now and try and slide it out. Fluid might leak out of that. Alright. Let's get it. Try and get my pry bar up in here. Yeah, next I'm gonna let go those hoses again. That's the ones I did for those tubes. Then you gotta take out the starter, remove the starter. Then you're gonna move all these sensor wires that connect to the transmission. Then you're gonna take out the axle, possibly the wheels off, yeah. And all these charge hoses, so when the engine comes down, then break them from the intercooler.